Campaign. I am working on a campaign to reduce the price of medicines. Charity. Would you work for a charity as a volunteer?
Developing countries. This charity helps the poor in developing countries.
Distribute. Money raised by the charity cannot be distributed as profit.
Donate. We were donated a large sum of money.
Fundraising. I'm in charge of fundraising for a UK-based charity.
Headquarters. Oxfam has a headquarters as well as regional offices.
Leaflet. We use leaflets to get people's attention.
Links with the community. The factory wants to improve its links with the community.
Mail shots. We send out mail shots to ask for donations.
Mission. Charities usually have a clear mission. Objective. Oxfam's main objective is to reduce poverty and suffering.
Partnership. A charity can start partnerships with other organisations. Policy. I'm a policy advisor and I work in the trade team.
Raise money. Charities have to raise money to pay for their activities.
Rent premises. Like any business, a charity needs to rent premises.
Sponsorship. Sponsorship creates good publicity.
Support. I think we should support the local football club.
Trust. We often get money from trusts. Volunteer. Most charities depend on a network of volunteers. Links with the community. The factory wants to improve its links with the community.